Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Google Maps and signing into the Google account you will use to share location. Once done, make sure device location services are on and Maps has permission to access it, otherwise sharing won't work. Tap the profile icon at the top right to confirm your account. Next, look for the location sharing option in the menu. This begins the sharing flow. You need to be signed in and have a stable internet connection so your position can upload and stay current. Now you choose who sees your location. Tap Location Sharing, then New Share. The interface lets you pick a saved contact or generate a shareable link if the person isn't on Google. Choose a duration. Pick a fixed time for temporary tracking or use until turned off for continuous sharing. Make sure to confirm the contact's account or phone number shown. If you share via link, the link provides real-time updates until revoked, so be cautious who you send it to. Finish by verifying the active shares listed in location sharing and confirm the intended people have access. To stop sharing, tap Stop or remove the contact. Once removed, their access ends immediately. If someone's location isn't updating, check that both devices have network access, Maps location permission, and battery optimization is off for the app. If a link was used, revoke it to prevent further access. Make sure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.